will syllabus be reduced? CBSE exams be held? Welcome to our YouTube channel Study with Amit. I am Amit and today first we'll see to few questions which are being asked generally by students, and further you will know that what is going to happen in this video. So first of all, there is one question that will syllabus be reduced? I'm talking about CBSE boards, that will syllabus be reduced? So it is my opinion that syllabus will not be reduced. I think so, as there is one reason for it which I'll tell you afterwards. So syllabus will not be reduced further as I think of now, but after it may be reduced, because I am not assuring you all, but I am just telling you all that it will not be reduced. Now another question, will CBSE exams be held? Students are asking that will 2021 CBSE exams will be held? So from sources it is released by some it is in news by few sources that the exams will be held and it will be delayed by 60 days. This is one news from that which I was telling, that the exams can be delayed by 60 days but it will be held. It is sure that CBSE exams will be held. Further seeing the situation, they will take the decision, but for now it is there that CBSE exams will be held. Means there is no chance of cancel, as we should take it from now, because we are left with 2 to 3 months for just studying and 1 month for revision. So we should think that yeah, it is there, so we have to prepare for that. Thinking now that syllabus will be reduced, so that will be harmful to you all only, as if it would not be reduced, so it will create a big problem for you all. So you should start preparing from now. There is one news, that most important thing is that CBSE has released its sample papers. Yes, it has released its sample papers, and this shows that syllabus will not be reduced, as it contains questions with marking schemes, and the questions are there which are from the, what we say, from revised syllabus or reduced syllabus of 2021, which has been reduced for the students, and syllabus and the question paper sample paper is according to that. So we should one thing we should say, that it is final that exams will be held from that syllabus which is there for 2021 batch students only, and further there will be no reduction of syllabus. After this, sample papers has been released. So in sample papers there are questions which we should be practicing of, and we should be thorough of it. So you should go and practice that, and it is very important for you all, because if you do not practice, then how you will know that which type of questions are going to come in your exams. So you should go and see that it is there present in CBSE website. What is the special thing in sample paper is that it is been released with the marking schemes. So the sample papers are there with its marking schemes, and the question paper which is set in the sample paper, which is there in the sample paper, is according to the reduced syllabus of 2021. So CBSE students should start preparing for their exams. As now I have said all the things in this video, so I'll summarize it once again. As first of all, what is there, that there will be delay of 60 days, means students will get time. What time? So CBSE says that from sources it is there that exams can be delayed by 60 days. Means 60 days, after 60 days exams will be held after 60 days. That means that students will get extra 2 months for their preparation. So we should not depend on that, because that it is not necessary that CBSE will follow the same, because it is not said by CBSE. It came out from few sources, so we should not depend on that. So first we said that it can be held after 60 days. Second, CBSE has reduced the syllabus, and it has given out its sample papers. So sample papers of all the subjects. So you can go to CBSE website and check it, and it is very important for you all to go and check, because you should know that what is going to come and how the pattern of question paper is going to be. So you should go and see and review it and try to solve it, first and second thing. And third, you should see the marking schemes. The marking scheme is essential, as because that only helps us to score marks in our exams. So we should see all the things and we should analyze it. So this was the important news which is released now. So thank you. I hope that it will be helpful. It would be helpful to you all. It was helpful to you all, and you will follow the same as I said, that you should go and check to CBSE website for your better performance in your board exams, as it is very necessary for you all to, because it is the first exam which we are giving, and not the first exams but important exam which we are giving. So for that we should be prepared by different ways. So we should go and see what is there, and this is the thing. So this was the news. Thank you for watching this. If you have reached till here, then like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have some queries, then you can comment below. So thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.